In this video, I'll be going through more of the finishing touches in the engine bay, starting with the air conditioning condenser fan assembly. I decided to reuse the original Honda unit that came with the car, so everything was given a thorough clean and freshen up. Some of the worn brackets were stripped and powder coated, and the rubbers were treated with silicone grease. The original condenser was still in good condition, so I decided to keep it. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. I sourced a brand new receiver dryer and had the bracket powder coated in satin black. Then picked out the best gold zinc plated hardware I could find. For the radiator, I purchased a brand new OEM style unit from Koyo, along with some good quality silicone hoses from Elusive Racing in Melbourne, and a Gates OEM quality unit for the top hose. For the fan, I've chosen a slimline unit from Flex-a-lite in the USA. It comes with a really nice slim profile shroud that offers plenty of room for the turbo system. I was also able to source a brand new Honda overflow bottle. The plastic is more transparent than the older style bottles, and I think it looks much better. The bracket for the bottle was powder coated in silver to match the other brackets in the engine bay. And along with the tank, I also purchased the new rubber hose, the cap for the bottle, new rubber bushings for the radiator supports, a K-tuned radiator cap, and a black anodized radiator stay from Password JDM. I purchased new torque mounts from Honda, along with new hardware also from Honda. I forgot to include a shot of the new oil cooler and the hoses before I installed them. The hoses are brand new from Earl's Performance, and the fittings are from Speedflow. They're not brand new, but they're still in good condition. The lines were professionally assembled by Jack at Earl's. Here's a shot of the Mayhem Metalworks crash bar that you saw in the previous video. This gives much more room for the intercooler, is very strong, and still provides great support for the front bumper. This is the new window washer reservoir bottle. This one's for a sedan. As you can see, there's only one spot for the washer pump. I did the rear wiper delete for a cleaner look, so the washer pump for the rear is no longer needed. Rather than trying to plug the extra hole in the original hatchback bottle, I decided to use the sedan bottle for a clean, leak-free solution. I purchased brand new drive shafts, which are OEM quality units to suit the B Series S80 transmission. Some people prefer to refurbish a used set of original Honda drive shafts, but I was told by a reliable Honda mechanic that these are very good quality, so I decided to give them a go. They look pretty decent and come with good quality rubber boots and new hub nuts. The shift linkage was given a full service with brand new Honda components. Here's the shifter fully assembled. When changing gears, I imagine it will feel pretty good. The front brakes were given a complete overhaul with new DDA slotted rotors to suit the larger 262mm Integra DC2 VTi knuckles. The calipers look amazing in the bright blue powder coat, especially with the high gloss finish, new Honda hardware, and fresh rubber boots. I went with Intima SS brake pads, which are a great street pad, not too noisy, not overly dusty, and they still have a good amount of bite. The original brake lines were in good condition and just needed a clean. I rejuvenated the rubber outer hose with silicone grease. I decided to paint the metal brackets and cribs in silver rust guard for protection, and they come up great. The MC8 coilovers don't have a provision to attach the brake lines, so I sourced these cool brackets which have OEM style mounting locations for the brake lines. The install was really straightforward. Honda stuff just fits, and it's very simple to install. Everything looks nice and new, and I love that blue colour on the calipers. The original dashboard gauge cluster bezel was unfortunately badly worn and not up to scratch, but I was able to find a really good quality second-hand one. I gave it a good clean and rejuvenated the plastic with a good quality plastic restorer. The hazard light switch was still looking good. I purchased a brand new JDM Civic EG6 SiR defroster switch from ICB Motorsport. It has the amber illumination. Also from the JDM EG6 SiR is this digital clock which has the amber coloured digits. The speedo cluster is also from the EG6 SiR and is in great condition. I replaced the old halogen bulbs, which are a little bit dim, with LED bulbs, and they'll be a little bit brighter. The original exhaust heat shields were taken to my good mate Jason Lowe for powder coating. Jason does an amazing job. Just look at those brake calipers and the valve cover, and pretty much every bracket on the car. Here are the heat shields installed. Apologies for the wobbly camera work. It was a bit tight under the car and I struggled to get a decent shot, but you get the idea. Everything is pretty clean and fresh under here. Here's the freshly restored shift linkage. All looking nice and clean. In one of the previous videos I mentioned the clutch fluid reservoir was in good condition, but when seeing it next to the new brake fluid reservoir, the colour was a little off, so I decided to buy a new clutch reservoir with a new cap from Honda. Now it's nice and new and matches the other reservoir, so I'm happy. Originally, I thought I would just use new Honda hardware for the engine bay, but I really liked the items you can get from Downstar in the USA, so I bit the bullet and purchased some gold zinc plated bolts with black anodized aluminium beauty washers. Again, apologies for the poor photography. It wasn't easy getting a good shot with the engine in the bay, but I reckon the gold accents add a nice touch. For the wheels, I decided to go with Japan Racing JR3s from Driftworks in the UK. They're a 16 by 8 with a plus 25 offset and a decent amount of concave. The design is clearly inspired by the Ray's Volk Racing TE37, but the JR3 to me has a more aggressive concave spoke, which I really like. For the price, the quality of the finish is impressive. They're quite wide for an EG, so I'll need to dial in some negative camber, but the offset should help fill the guards nicely and give the car that aggressive stance I'm after. I can't wait to show you how they look on the car. I should have the wheels on the car in the next video. Catch you then. Thanks for watching.